Right now, there's an AI version of Sydney Sweeney making someone $50,000 a month. She's not getting a penny. And here's the thing that should terrify you. It's not just happening to celebrities. If you're a content creator, a model, or you have any kind of online presence, your face is next. And the people making money from AI versions of you, they're already building your replacement. What's up, everyone? We need to talk about something that's going to reshape the entire creator economy in the next 3 years, and almost nobody is preparing for it. We're standing at the edge of what I'm calling the great creator collapse, where AI is about to make millions of online content creators completely obsolete. And I'm not talking about some distant future. This is happening right now. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what's coming, who's going to get hit hardest, and most importantly, the 3 moves you need to make today if you want to survive what's next. Let's get into it. Here's what nobody's talking about. Right now, OnlyFans has over 3 million creators. That platform alone paid out $5 billion last year. The top creators are making life-changing money. We're talking $10 million, $20 million a year. It's created this gold rush where thousands of people are quitting their jobs to become full-time content creators. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most creators aren't making millions. The average OnlyFans creator makes about $180 a month. That's not even enough to cover groceries. The real money is concentrated at the very top, maybe the top 1% of creators. And while everyone's been focused on that gold rush, something else has been quietly happening in the background. There are now AI companies creating virtual models that don't eat, don't sleep, never age, never have a bad day, and can be customized to be exactly what any subscriber wants. They're available 24/7. They respond instantly. And they cost a fraction of what human creators charge. Let me give you a real example. There's an AI model called Aitana Lopez, completely artificial, created by a Spanish agency. She has over 200,000 Instagram followers and makes about $10,000 per month from brand deals and subscriptions. She doesn't exist. She's code. Now multiply that by 1 million. That's what's coming. And here's where it gets interesting. We're about 18 months away from AI that can generate photorealistic video of any person doing anything. Not just still images, actual video. With voice. With personality. Completely indistinguishable from reality. Let me break this down simply. Phase 1, the deepfake explosion, happening now through 2025. Right now, AI tools can already create eerily realistic images and short videos. Sydney Sweeney, the actress from Euphoria, has had her face stolen thousands of times to create fake adult content she never consented to. She's not making money from it. Random people on the internet are. But here's the thing, Sydney's famous. She has lawyers. What about smaller creators? What about you? Phase 2. The Interactive AI Companion, 2025 to 2027. The next wave is already being built. Companies are creating AI companions that don't just look real, they act real. They remember your conversations. They adapt to your preferences. They develop unique personalities. Imagine an AI that looks like your favorite creator, knows exactly what you like, responds instantly, never gets tired, and costs $9.99 a month instead of $49.99. Why would anyone pay more for the real person who might not respond for hours? Phase 3. The market collapse, 2027 to 2030. Here's the nightmare scenario, and I'm quoting an adult industry analyst named Mike Stabill. 60% of current creators will need new income sources by 2028. Why? Because when AI content becomes infinite and free, the subscription model completely breaks down. Why pay for OnlyFans when you can generate unlimited personalized content on your own computer? The only creators who survive will be the top 0.1% who can sell something AI can't replicate, verified, authentic human connection. Everyone else? They're competing with machines that never sleep. Now, before you panic, let me tell you why this affects you even if you're not a content creator. First, your likeness isn't safe. If you have photos on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, congratulations, you've given AI training data. Someone could create an AI version of you tomorrow, and you'd have almost zero legal recourse. The laws haven't caught up. Second, this is bigger than adult content. This same technology is coming for every industry that relies on human faces and personalities. Virtual influencers, AI news anchors, digital spokesmodels, musicians, actors. If Sydney Sweeney, a successful Hollywood actress, can have her entire career threatened by this, what about voice actors? What about educators? What about you? Third, the economic shockwave. We're looking at potentially millions of people in the creator economy, makeup artists, photographers, video editors, platform moderators, all facing displacement in the next 5 years. That's not just individual tragedy. That's an economic crisis. This is your wake-up call. The question isn't if this is coming. It's whether you're going to be ready. The good news? You still have time. Here's exactly what you need to do. Step 1. Own your identity, starting today. Document everything. Timestamp your original content. Use blockchain verification tools if you can afford them. Services like Verify exist specifically to prove you created something first. If you're a creator, start watermarking not just your visible content, but embedding metadata that proves it's you. When the lawsuits start flying, and they will, you want proof. Step 2. Build real relationships, not just followers. AI can fake a lot of things, but it can't yet replicate years of genuine human connection. If you're a creator, stop focusing on subscriber count and start focusing on connection depth. Know your top supporters by name. Have real conversations. Create exclusive experiences AI can't replicate: live meetups, personal calls, handwritten notes. The creators who survive will be the ones selling authenticity and humanity, not just content. Step 3. Diversify your skills and income now. If you're currently making money from your appearance, your voice, or your personality online, I'm begging you, start learning skills AI can't easily replace. That might be strategic consulting, hands-on services, physical products, live entertainment, or expertise in AI itself. Become the person who uses these tools instead of being replaced by them. Don't put all your eggs in the people pay to see me basket. That basket has a timer on it. Step 4. Support regulation, even if you hate it. I know. Nobody likes government involvement. But we need laws around AI impersonation, consent, and compensation. Support politicians and organizations pushing for right of publicity, laws that prevent AI companies from using your likeness without permission. Sign petitions. Make noise. The alternative is a complete Wild West where your face is free real estate. Step 5. Consider the nuclear option. Go anonymous or go all in. Here's a hard truth. There will be 2 safe zones in the AI era. Zone 1, complete anonymity. No face, no voice, pure ideas and execution. Zone 2, ultra fame. So famous that your verified human presence is itself the product. The danger zone, the middle. The place where you're recognizable enough to be cloned, but not famous enough to have legal protection. Think carefully about which zone you want to be in. Look, I know this is heavy, but here's what I want you to remember. Every technological revolution creates winners and losers. The winners aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who saw the change coming and adapted first. Right now, in early 2026, you're in the small window where you can still get ahead of this. 5 years from now, people will look back and say, I wish I'd prepared when I had the chance. Don't be that person. If this video opened your eyes to what's coming, hit that subscribe button. I'm tracking all of this week by week, and you'll want to know what happens next. Drop a comment. What industry do you think AI is coming for next? And are you preparing or pretending it won't happen to you? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay ready.